Hello dear students, welcome you all in Chemistry Drive with Ravneet. Today in this video we will learn how to prepare para-bromo-acetanilide from acetanilide. So para-bromo-acetanilide preparation is actually a kind of electrophilic substitution reaction. Acetanilide from acetanilide. So this preparation, it is a kind of electrophilic substitution reaction. So now what do you mean by electrophilic substitution reaction? So substitution reaction is that reaction in which one group or atom it replaces the other atom or group. So as we have written over here electrophilic, so that means the atom is one of the atom or group is replaced by the electrophile. So in this case we have para-bromo. So which electrophile we gonna substitute on the acetanilide is the bromo group. So as we have already done, I have provided you videos also on the electrophilic substitution reaction, in which I told you we have various electrophilic substitution reaction like halogenation, we have nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. So this is also a sort of halogenation reaction in which we will substitute the halonium ion on the ring. So which ring we are using here is acetanilide. So the reaction is like this. Mechanism involved. So in mechanism we'll first of all write down the structure of your acetanilide. So here we are taking our bromonium ion. So you always know that in case of halogenation we always have like a halonium ion. So if we are doing the chlorination, we'll write down chloronium ion. So here we have bromonium ion. So now we want to show the para product, okay, in the formation. So we'll show the attack also from the para position. So this is your para position. So I am transferring this electron density toward the electrophile. So we'll get this structure. So definitely wherever you are substituting your electrophile will open the H also of that side. So this all I have explained in the electrophilic substitution reaction videos. So as carbon density, this electron density is totally shifted to this carbon to which electrophile is attached, so therefore this carbon will get positive charge. So this carbon will get positive charge. So now you can draw the rhenium ion structures for this. So always you know that in this case NHCOCH3. So this electron density come here HBr. So now this structure is very stable. You will not get such kind of structure if you do the meta attack of the electrophile. Why? Because this structure is stable due to the electron releasing resonance effect of this nitro group, this nitrogen. It has the plus R effect which is stabilizing this structure. That's why the para product it is preferred. So after that, next positive charge here. So further you can draw the resonating structures. Positive charge here, NHCOCH3. So these are the rhenium ion structures for your this electrophilic attack. So once the rhenium ion structures are formed, the last step is always the release of proton and completion of the ring. So once the proton is released, you will get your substituted product. Pi electron density of ring is completed. So this is the whole mechanism for your this preparation. Now let me tell you the preparation procedure. So for procedure, as you can see in this mechanism also, in the reaction also, that only three things we require. The very first thing is that is your obviously acetanilide, the main reactant on which we want to do the substitution reaction. After acetanilide, what else you required is? Yes, you required your glacial acetic acid. And the third one is bromine. So for this preparation, I am taking here about 2.5 gram of acetanilide and the glacial acetic acid in total I have taken is near about 12.5 ml in total, and bromine that I have taken is only 1 ml. So let's start with the preparation, in which first what we will do is we will mix this 2.5 gram of acetanilide with the glacial acetic acid. I have taken the 7.5 this ml of my glacial acetic acid only. So rest of the glacial acetic acid I will mix with bromine. Then I will further add it drop wise my this bromine solution to my first solution. Then I will get my para-bromoacetanilide. So let's see the preparation of this whole product. For the preparation of para-bromoacetanilide, what we are taking is 2.5 gram of acetanilide and 7.5 gram of 5 ml of glacial acetic acid. And then we also required the bromine solution that we are taking 1 ml, and we will mix it in the 5 ml glacial acetic acid. So first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to mix our this 2.5 gram of acetanilide in 250 ml conical flask, to which we will add our 7.5 ml glacial acetic acid, and we have to shake the content so that both of them they react properly and mix well. So shake it well. So here we have already mixed near about 1 ml of bromine with 5 ml of glacial acetic acid. So once this mixture get properly mixed, we will transfer this solution of bromine and glacial acetic acid to this conical flask. Now we are going to transfer our solution drop wise. Always added this mixture of bromine and glacial acetic acid drop wise with constant stirring to the first solution which we have prepared. You can use dropper to put the solution drop wise into the first solution. So now we are doing the bromination of our acetanilide. We are doing the electrophilic substitution reaction. Once you added this whole solution to the first solution, so allow this reaction mixture to stand for 30 minutes with occasional shaking. Then after that we will put this solution into the 250 ml of cold water. So now we are putting cold water, and we have to stir it also. So once you put the cold water into this reaction mixture, you will see that the para-bromoacetanilide will separate out as a white solid. As you can see clearly below, we have the white solid product which is separated out. So that is your para-bromoacetanilide. Now added more water and you will get the solid. So after that what we are going to do is we are going to filter this product in a Buchner funnel with suction. So now we are filtering the solution with the help of Buchner funnel. So give washing with the cold water. As you can see, the crystals of your para nitroacetanilide, it is separating out. So colorless white crystals are there. So once you filter the product, then what you have to do is you have to dry it in the folds of filter paper. So dry it properly, and after that do the recrystallization with 60% alcohol. Why we are using the alcohol? Because if there is your ortho bromoacetanilide also there, so that is more soluble in the ethyl alcohol. Once you dry your para-bromoacetanilide properly, note at the melting point. The melting point of para-bromoacetanilide is 167 degrees Celsius, and the appearance, as you can see, is the colorless crystal. So that's all about the preparation of para-bromoacetanilide from acetanilide.